Welcome to the ScreenCast for coding graphical elements in a PDF in Transana. PDF quick snapshots allow researchers to quickly code a visual selection from a PDF document. Creating the selection and applying a keyword as a code are handled in a single action. When you load a PDF document, you will be able to see coding shapes from any existing PDF quotes or snapshots that have already been created on this page of this document. 3 selections have already been created and are currently visible. We want to make a selection of the CDC logo in the footer of this PDF document. We're interested in the full logo, including both text and graphical portions. To create a PDF quick snapshot, we change the mode from a review to code image to indicate we want to make a PDF snapshot focused on visual aspects of the PDF rather than a PDF quote focused on text. You may notice that all the previous coding gets hidden in the PDF window. We can now select keywords, a coding shape tool, a coding color, a line width, and a line style for individual keywords if we wish to alter the default values that Transana will use otherwise. We can use a combination of repositioning, zooming, and resizing to get the PDF window to display our PDF data exactly the way we want our PDF snapshot to appear on the screen. We now double-click a keyword in the database tree to create the PDF quick snapshot. We'll choose the Analytic Codes sponsor logo keyword. Our new PDF quick snapshot will be automatically named and placed in the Quick Quotes and Clips collection. We see that Transana has automatically drawn the defined coding shape for the keyword we selected around the perimeter of our PDF window. Let's restore our PDF to the view of the whole page by clicking on the Restore Last Save button in the toolbar. We see the coding shape we added around the CDC logo. We can also see that Transana has added a Quick Quotes and Clips collection if one did not already exist, and has placed a PDF quick snapshot in that collection. If we double-click the PDF snapshot item, we load our PDF snapshot, which appears exactly as it did when we originally created the PDF quick snapshot. Let's click on the Load Context button in the PDF window toolbar to return to the full page display of our PDF document, which shows all our coding. Finally, let's look at the collection report for the Quick Quotes and Clips collection. We can see that our quick snapshot appears as a graphic in this report with the exact dimensions of the PDF window when the PDF snapshot was created, and that it has been coded with the keyword that we used to trigger its creation.